Hey guys, here's a 1000 CAD dollars gaming app 1080p build. This is a decent build for $1,000. It's going to be a respectable 1080p build, and let's jump right into it. You got the Ryzen 5 3600. That's a 6-core processor at 3.6 gigahertz. This is the type of CPU that you can last a long time on, probably 5 years. You're going to be able to overclock it if that's what you want to do. Otherwise, it'll be just fine at stock. And using this Ryzen 5 CPU will allow you to switch in the future to a different AM4 socket CPU if you ever decided you wanted to upgrade, which is a good door to just have open with the AMD platform. So building off of that, we have a B450M MicroATX motherboard. This is going to be MicroATX just like the case, and there's no Wi-Fi on this board, so it's expected you'll be using Ethernet. Moving on, we have Ripjaws V 16 gig DDR4 3600 CL18 memory. This is just really fast memory. Timings are perfectly fine for our use case. Moving on, we have Kingston A400 480 gigabyte 2.5 inch solid state drive. This is perfect for storing Windows and your heavy rotation games, along with a Seagate Barracuda Compute, 2 terabyte 3.5 inch 7200 RPM internal hard drive. This is for everything else, games that you don't play very often, massive games that you just don't want on your SSD. Everything else, you got lots of storage here. It'll last you years and years. Moving on, we have the GeForce GTX 1660 Super 6GB tough gaming OC video card. This is a nice pairing with the Ryzen 5 3600. There's no bottleneck there, and you're going to be getting maximum frames for that 144Hz display. This would also pair really good with the 75Hz display or a 60Hz display, all running in 1920 by 1080. Moving on, we have the Corsair 88 MicroATX mid-tower case. This has got a nice little window on it. I'll pull it up real quick, which is pretty good, but really it's just a cheap case, guys. And moving on, we have the SeaSonic S12 111 500 watt 80 plus bronze certified ATX power supply. This is a non-modular power supply, so it's going to be a little annoying to work on that case, but I'm sure you guys can do it. And after you're done with that, you'll have a great system. So I would recommend this build if you wanted to build today a 1080p $1,000 gaming PC. Today is July 26th, 2020. And I have a challenge for you guys. See if you can find any pre-built that is better components for the price. And if you can find any in the comments, I'll talk about them in a video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks.